Today we're creating an effect called RGB Drift in Adobe After Effects. Create a new composition and name it Main Composition. Add a text layer and center it. Create a simple animation for the text. Apply easy ease to the keyframes. Pre-compose the text layer and name it Text Comp. Create a null object and name it Controls. Add the slider control effect and duplicate it twice. Rename the sliders Velocity, Distance, and Random Seed. Set the values as shown. Text Comp and add another slider control. Rename it RGB Drift. Animate the RGB Drift slider with these values. Apply easy ease to the animation. Create a new solid and name it Color R. Apply the Set Matte effect. Set Take Matte from Layer to Text Comp. Apply the Transform effect. Add this expression to the position parameter and link it as shown on screen. Copy the expression from position and paste it into scale, then make slight adjustments. Apply the same approach to skew with these modifications. Set the values as shown on screen. Apply the turbulent displace effect. Link the amount parameter to the slider on text comp. Open evolution options and link random seed to the random seed slider. Go to the Controls null object and add the color control effect. Duplicate it 3 times. Set the colors as shown on screen. Select the color R layer and apply the fill effect. Link it to color 1. Duplicate color R and rename it to color G. Link its fill to color 2. Duplicate color G, rename it to color B, and link fill to color 3. Duplicate color B, rename it to color BG, and link fill to color BG. On the color BG layer, remove all effects except fill. Set the blending mode of all 4 layers to screen. Do you want to elevate your video editing game? Find all you need on Easy Edit Stock. Templates, text effects, presets. Discover a world of versatile assets for your next video. Create an adjustment layer. Apply Gaussian blur with these settings. Add unsharp mask with these settings. Apply 3D glasses with the parameters shown on screen. Add noise. Add posterized time and set the frame rate to 15.